Imagine if the clutter tucked away in your shed wasn't just trash. What if a rusty colander, a chipped vase, or misplaced keys could be reborn as something that makes hearts skip a beat? Something breathtaking? In this video, I'll guide you through transforming overlooked everyday objects into enchanting garden art that calms the soul. The simple, quietly profound, and uniquely yours. This isn't just about sprucing up your space. It's about uncovering beauty in the forgotten and crafting serenity step by step. Welcome to Arya Creative Design, where simplicity blossoms into something extraordinary. This video is part of our Vintage Garden Art series, with timestamps below to jump to what ignites your creativity. If inspiration strikes or questions bubble up, drop a comment. I'd love to connect with your ideas. To you, I might just be another voice on your screen, but behind this lens is a story, a family pouring their heart into building something from nearly nothing. This video is a fragment of that journey. When you like, comment, or subscribe, you're not just boosting a post, you're nurturing a dream, keeping hope thriving. Thank you for being here. Thank you for truly seeing. 1. Vintage lantern bird feeder. Beneath the canopy of whispering leaves, a forgotten lantern finds new life. Seek a vintage lantern from a thrift store's dusty corner, its metal filigree yearning for purpose. With gentle hands, clean its tarnished frame, letting its patina tell stories of yesteryears. Remove the glass panes, if any, and line the base with fine mesh to cradle birdseed. Fill it with a mosaic of seeds, sunflower, millet, and safflower, inviting winged wanderers to your garden. Suspend it from a sturdy branch with a weathered rope, letting it sway like a beacon of hospitality. As dawn's first light kisses its edges, watch sparrows and finches dance, their songs weaving magic into the air. This lantern, once dim, now glows with life, a testament to thrift's alchemy. Place it where wildflowers bloom, and let its charm transform your garden into a sanctuary of song and light. Every seed scattered is a spell cast, binding nature's heart to your own. 2. Hanging tuna can basket feed. From kitchen scraps, a humble tuna can blooms into art. Gather empty cans, their silver hearts cleansed of past feasts. Sand their edges smooth, then paint them in soft pastels, lavender, mint, and blush, to mimic dawn's tender hues. Pierce 2 holes on opposite sides, threading vibrant ribbons to form a hanging basket. Line each can with fine mesh, a cradle for birdseed's bounty. Suspend this creation from a tree, where breezes sway it like a cradle of dreams. Fill with seeds, a banquet for finches and sparrows, their wings a flutter of gratitude. As sunlight dances on the can's curves, your garden hums with life. These relics of meals past now sing of renewal, proof that thrift's touch can weave magic from the mundane. Place them amid roses or ivy, and let their gentle sway invite nature's choir. Each seed offered is a verse in the garden's endless poem, a testament to beauty reborn from simplicity. 3. Silverware wind chime. Old silverware, once silent in drawers, now sings in the breeze. Hunt thrift stores for mismatched spoons and forks, their tarnish a badge of time. String them from a wooden hoop, salvaged from a forgotten frame, with fishing line or twine. Let each piece dangle freely, there clinks a symphony of memory. Hammer some spoons flat for a deeper tone, others curved for a brighter chime. Hang this creation where winds wander, perhaps near a lilac bush, to catch nature's breath. As sunlight glints off their surfaces, the chimes weave a melody that dances with the leaves. This is Thrift's magic, turning utensils into instruments, discarded relics into art. Place it where it can serenade your garden. Its notes a reminder that beauty thrives in the overlooked. Let the wind's gentle hand play this silver song, a poetic echo of the past, reborn to enchant the present. Four. Drawer mosaic planter. An old drawer, cast aside, becomes a canvas for nature's art. Seek a wooden drawer from a thrift store, its grain rich with stories. Gather broken china, teacups, plates, shattered relics of forgotten feasts. With tile adhesive, arrange these fragments into a mosaic, their jagged edges forming a tapestry of color. Seal with grout, wiping away excess to reveal a sparkling design. Line the drawer with plastic, then fill with soil and succulents. Their fleshy leaves a contrast to the mosaic's gleam. Place this planter on a garden table, where sunlight kisses its surface, igniting the china's hues. Water gently, letting roots weave into the earth's embrace. This drawer, once a keeper of secrets, now cradles life, a testament to Thrift's transformative touch. Amid marigolds or herbs, it stands as a monument to beauty reborn, each shard a verse in a poem of renewal, sung by the garden's quiet heart. Five. Teacup mushroom garden stakes. Teacups, fragile relics of tea-soaked afternoons, transform into garden whimsy. Scour thrift stores for chipped porcelain cups, their imperfections a canvas for magic. Paint their exteriors to mimic mushrooms, soft reds, creams, and whites dotted with specks. Seal with weatherproof varnish to defy rain's kiss. Attach each cup to a wooden stake, sanded smooth, with strong adhesive, ensuring they stand tall. Plant these stakes in a garden bed, where ferns and moss create an enchanted grove. As twilight falls, their painted caps glow, whispering tales of fairy realms. These teacups, once cradling warmth, now cradle dreams, turning your garden into a storybook scene. Place them where shadows dance, their delicate forms a beacon of Thrift's alchemy. Each stake is a verse in the earth's lullaby, a reminder that beauty blooms where imagination takes root, transforming the mundane into a garden's poetic heart. Six-chair planter, a chair, its days of seating done, finds new purpose in the garden's embrace. Seek a thrift store chair, its wood weathered by time's gentle hand. Remove the seat, leaving a frame eager for rebirth. Craft a wooden box to fit the void, or repurpose a metal tray, lining it with plastic to hold soil's secrets. Fill with rich earth and plant petunias, their petals spilling like laughter, or ivy, trailing like whispered tales. Paint the chair in bold hues or let its patina shine, a nod to its storied past. Place it in a sun-dappled corner, where cobblestones and moss frame its charm. Water gently, letting roots weave into the earth's heart. This chair, once a cradle for rest, now holds life, a testament to Thrift's magic. Amid roses or ferns, it stands as a throne for blossoms, each petal a verse in a poem of renewal, sung by the garden's eternal spring. Seven, vintage teacup mushrooms. Teacups, once sipped by dreamers, now bloom as mushrooms in the garden's hush. Seek thrift store teacups with saucers, their delicate patterns a canvas for whimsy. Paint saucers to mimic mushroom caps, earthy reds, creams, speckled with dots. Seal with varnish to brave the elements. Glue each cup to its saucer, forming a fungal form, and nestle them in a mossy bed where ferns whisper secrets. Add fairy lights to weave a glow, as if fireflies linger in their shade. These porcelain fungi, born of Thrift's touch, transform your garden into a fairy tale. Place them where moonlight pools, their glow a beacon of enchantment. Each cup is a stanza in the earth's quiet song, a reminder that beauty thrives in the overlooked. Let them stand as sentinels of dreams, their delicate forms proof that the mundane, when kissed by imagination, becomes a garden's poetic heart. If this video touched your heart, please understand that hitting that subscribe button means everything to me. You're not just backing a channel, you're fueling a passion that sustains my family. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'd also love to connect with you. What part of this video resonated most? Any ideas on how I can keep uplifting or entertaining you even better? Your thoughts shape this channel's journey with meaning and soul. Drop a comment. I read every single one.